Good afternoon, dear children. This is your science teacher. Now take out your science textbook and open the lesson number 7, that is getting to know the plants. Okay. So as you know that yesterday we have seen the types of roots. So as you know that the roots help in the holding the plant firmly in the soil, and they are said to anchor the plant to the soil. Okay. So we have also seen the two types of root, that is the tap roots and fibrous root. The examples of the tap root is carrot, radish, then you can say the beetroot. Okay, so these three are the examples of tap root, and examples of fibrous roots are wheat, rice, grasses, okay, etc., and so on. Okay, so these are the examples of fibrous roots. So in a plant with a taproot system, the taproot is the largest and central and most dominant root from which other roots sprouts laterally. Okay, and the fibrous roots, a fibrous root system is usually formed by a thin, moderately branching roots growing from the stem. Okay, it is having the fibrous root is having thread like structures. Okay, then flowers. As you know that a flower is the reproductive structure found in the plants, and the prominent parts of the open flower are the petals, the small leaf like structure called the sepals. Okay, so that means, as you know that what is the function of leaves? They can produce food, but what is the function of flower? They have reproductive organs, that is they can bear a fruits. Okay, so these are the structure of flowers. Now the part of flowers. So the most important part of flower is stamen. The stamen is the pollen producing reproductive organ of a flower. This is the stamens. Okay, they are having pollen, that means small particles. Okay, which sticks to the any plant, or it may be burst by the it may be flow by the water, or flow by the wind. Okay, and it helps to produce another plant. Then pistil. Okay, you can see the pistil here. The ovule producing part of a flower is known as the pistil. Okay, so this is the pistil, that is the filament, and this is the pistil. Then the part of stamen. Okay, there are two as you know that the stamen, that is the this is the stamen. Okay, that means this is anther and this is the filament. As you know that in China rose you can see this kind of structure. Okay, so this is the anther and this is the filament, and both of these structure is called as the stamen. Okay, then what is mean by pistil? Okay, this is called as the pistil. Okay, this is the ovary like structure, and it is containing stigma, style, ovary and ovule. Okay, stigma, style, ovary and ovule. So anther, the part of the stamen where pollen is produced. Okay, it is the part of anther in which pollen is produced, just like this. Then filament, the filament is the stalk that connects to the anther. Okay, that means this is the filament and this is the pollen. Okay, then parts of the pistil. First of all, style. It is a long slender stalk that connects to the stigma and the ovary. For example, this is like the pistil, this is the stigma at upper portion, this is the stigma at upper portion, okay, and this long portion is called as style, okay. This long portion is called as style. Then you can see here the stigma, and this long portion is called as the style. Then inside this ovule you can see the ovary, and outer portion is known as the ovule. Understood? So stigma, it is a sticky platform at the top of the style where pollen is deposited, okay. And ovary, what is meant by ovary? The enlarged basal portion of the pistil where ovule are produced, okay. So ovary is the enlarged basal portion of the pistil where ovule are produced. This is the enlarged. Enlarged means big portion where ovary is produced, okay. Now these all about the getting to know the. So as you know that there are two main groups, that is flowering plants and non-flowering plants, okay. You can see the two kinds of plants, that is flowering plants and non-flowering plants. In flowering plants there should be rose, sunflower and mango, then ferns and mosses, okay. All are comes under the flowering plants. Actually mango doesn't have a flower, okay. It has this kind of, you can see the floral blossom, okay, that is known as the inflorescence. And inflorescence is not a flower, okay, it is the incomplete flower, that's why it is known as the inflorescence. Then the non-flowering plants like ferns and mosses, okay. Then we have also seen these are the shrubs, these are the trees, and these are the herbs. So herbs, plants are classified into three categories, that is herbs, shrubs and trees. Understood? Then the creepers. Some plants have weak stems and cannot stand upright. Some of these spread out on the ground and are called creepers. Example, strawberry plant, and other climb up with the help of support and are called as the climbers, that is grapevine and gourds. In this type you can see in this picture, okay, they need some help. Then here is the plant system, okay. So dear children, this is it for today's video. Tomorrow's video I will told you the plant systems. So till then it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.